Planning a Tesla road trip? Electric vehicle road trips have transformed, offering sustainable and seamless travel. As of December 2025, mastering a few essentials ensures an enjoyable journey. We'll cover charging strategies, necessary adapters, must have apps, and a smart packing list to maximize your Tesla's efficiency and your peace of mind. Tesla's supercharger network is vast, with over 50,000 stations globally. These stations are strategically located to support long-distance travel across continents. Plan your route using the Tesla app, which now features AI-driven trip planning that optimizes for supercharger availability and energy costs. Understand charging etiquette. Limit sessions to 30 minutes during peak times to allow others to charge efficiently. Explore Tesla's regenerative braking, which captures energy during deceleration to recharge the battery and maximize your range. Battery preconditioning warms or cools the battery to optimal temperature, ensuring faster and more efficient charging at superchargers. Mega chargers at select locations offer ultra-fast charging up to 1,500 kilowatt, significantly reducing charging time for long trips. Tesla vehicles use a proprietary connector called NACS, which is becoming widely adopted across North America. However, many charging stations still use different standards, so adapters are essential for connecting to non-Tesla chargers. A NACS to CCS adapter allows you to charge at most non-Tesla fast charging stations. This adapter converts Tesla's connector to the CCS standard commonly used by other EV manufacturers. Tesla's J1772 adapter is useful for older public charging points that use the J1772 standard. This Level 2 adapter ensures compatibility with legacy infrastructure found in many locations. For charging at homes or locations with standard electrical outlets, a portable Level 2 charger provides a convenient option. These chargers typically include adapters for different outlet types and can deliver steady power for overnight charging. When using any adapter, always verify compatibility with your specific Tesla model and the charging station. Check for proper connections and monitor for overheating to ensure safe and efficient charging. The Tesla app serves as your primary tool for navigation, monitoring charging status, and accessing remote diagnostics. It provides real-time information to keep your trip on track. Third-party apps like PlugShare help you locate electric vehicle chargers across your route. This app uses crowdsourced data to show charger availability and ratings. Abergy offers cost comparisons for charging stations, allowing you to choose the most economical options along your journey. Integrate these apps with your Tesla's onboard system for automatic route adjustments based on charging needs. Crowdsourced ratings help you avoid downtime from faulty chargers. Focus on lightweight, sustainable packing to maintain your Tesla's efficiency on road trips. Essentials include a portable jump starter for emergencies, USB-C chargers for your devices, and snacks that don't require refrigeration to save battery power. Consider eco-friendly items like reusable water bottles and solar-powered accessories that integrate with Tesla's 12-volt outlet. Bluetooth speakers or solar panels that integrate with Tesla's 12-volt outlet can enhance your road trip experience while staying sustainable. Experts emphasize preparation for stress-free EV travel. Elon Musk predicts 70% of U.S. road trips will be EV-based by 2030. Ultra-fast charging is accelerating, with projections of 80% charge in 15 minutes by 2026. Bidirectional charging is emerging, allowing Teslas to serve as mobile power banks. Tesla's full self-driving FSD software updates promise hands-free highway driving, enhancing road trip comfort. By mastering these 5 essentials, charging strategies, adapter usage, app integration, and efficient packing, you can ensure a seamless and enjoyable Tesla road trip. With advancements in charging infrastructure and vehicle technology, EV road trips are becoming more reliable and less anxiety-inducing than ever before. Happy travels.